Well, we approached the managements of these dubious universities, but on camera, all we got was an outright denial.
एडमिशन के बाद में उनको नियमित रूप से पढ़ना होता है. हमारे यहाँ कोई ऐसी व्यवस्था नहीं है कि यहाँ एडमिशन करा करके बाहर चले जाओ. नियमित पाठ्यक्रम है, पूरा उसका जो अपने विधान के अनुसार पाठ्यक्रम चलाया जाता है. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं.
पीएचडी में 9-10 में डिग्री मिल जाती है.
असंभव. अब आपका 11-12 है, 11-12 में कोई इस साल प्रवेश लेगा तो 2.5 साल के बाद पार होगा. अगर उसने पूरा पाठ्यक्रम पूरा किया, पूरा पढ़ाई की, शोध प्रबंध दिया, तब उस पर बोर्ड बैठेगा, बोर्ड रिकमेंड करेगा, तब जाकर पीएचडी में.
यहाँ पर पीएचडी में मिनिमम 3 साल लगते हैं और जैसा मैंने बताया इसकी एक लंबी प्रक्रिया होती है और हर एक विश्वविद्यालय में ये प्रक्रिया अपनाई जाती है.
Miles away, there's another education fraud in operation. A massive admission racket has been busted in Bangalore. A scam in which prized medical seats are blocked by proxy candidates, then vacated at the last minute to trigger a transfer to the management quota. The touts then sell them to the highest bidder for a price as high as 60 lakh rupees. Our Bangalore bureau with this story.
You would think that getting an entry pass to this medical college requires cracking a tough entrance exam. You're wrong. Instead, all you need is 60 lakh rupees. This man has blown the lid off an organized admission racket at Bangalore's Kempe Gowda Institute of Medical Sciences. A. Prasad is one of the 34 directors of the organization that runs KIMS. And he alleges that the organization's president, B. Kenchappa Gowda, is the real mastermind.
For this seat, who is coming from North India or from anywhere in India, intelligent guy who writes the exam, he will get minimum 13 to 15 lakhs. And these agents will get minimum 15 lakhs. 30 lakhs. And this B. Kenchappa Gowda will get minimum 10 to 15 lakhs, sometime 20 lakhs, sometime 5 lakhs. Like this is a racket. Whatever money comes to institution, it will goes to agents who is writing the exam, proxy, student, boy, and this Kenchappa Gowda.
This is how the scam works. The touts arrange for a group of doctors or medical students to sit for the entrance exam. These proxies pass the entrance exam and are placed in the college. The proxies pull out of the college at the last moment, opening up the management quota. These seats are then sold through touts to the highest bidder for a price as high as 60 lakh rupees.
Over the last 3 years, Kenchappa Gowda, the president of the Vokkaligar Sangha, which runs the Kempe Gowda Institute of Medical Sciences of KIMS, sold 17 medical dropout seats to undeserving students through a network of touts, making money in the process himself. And in that process, deserving studious students got left out.
On the whistleblower's queue, the cops have arrested 8 touts. Gowda and the students who sat for the exam are absconding. The police have recovered a number of documents, demand drafts, mobile phones and cash from the arrested.
So, throughout the country they are supposed to have done. So far we are collecting the evidence on that. At least in Karnataka state, a lot of seats have been done and it runs into crores of rupees. Now we have taken them into police custody for about 4 days. We will work in detail, we will question them and all these things will be made out from them. And so many seats have been done like this in from last so many years.
The lid has finally been blown off the racket involving the illegal sale of medical seats meant for meritorious students here at KIMS and Bangalore. But it is alleged that this practice is spread right across medical colleges in Karnataka and perhaps across the nation. A CBI inquiry has been demanded by the complainant A. Prasad to get to the bottom of this. With camera person Sudhakar Elizabeth Jain in Bangalore for Headlines Today.